In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a PowerPoint slide in just 5 minutes. Whether you're putting together a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, mastering the art of customizing your slides can truly elevate your PowerPoint game. So grab a seat, open up your PowerPoint, and let's dive into this step-by-step guide on how to transform your slides with ease. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. If you don't already have it pinned to your taskbar or desktop, you can find it by searching for PowerPoint in your computer's search bar. Once the application is open, you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to open your presentation file, navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of your screen, click on it, and then select Open. From here, browse through your saved files and select the PowerPoint presentation you wish to edit. Double-click the file or click Open once you've highlighted it, and voila! Your presentation should now be open in PowerPoint. With your file open, let's locate the slide from which you want to remove the background. Once you've found it, right-click on an empty space of that slide. This action will open a context menu with various options for customizing your slide's appearance. Here comes the crucial part, so pay close attention. From the menu that appears after right-clicking, look for an option labelled Format Background. It might seem a bit innocuous at first glance, but this is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a side panel on the right-hand side of your PowerPoint window, giving you access to a variety of background customization options. As you peruse the options in the Format Background panel, keep an eye out for the choice titled Picture or Texture Fill. This option allows you to fill your slide's background with a picture or a texture, offering a direct path to removing your current background. Click on Picture or Texture Fill to proceed to the next step of the process. Upon selecting Picture or Texture Fill, you'll notice several options to customize your background even further. But our focus today is on removing the existing background, so look for the button that says Reset Background located at the bottom of the panel. This button is your key to removing the slide's current background. When you click Reset Background, PowerPoint will discard the slide's current background, leaving you with a clean slate. It's important to note that once you remove the background, you might want to consider what you're going to replace it with. PowerPoint offers you a blank canvas, but it's up to you to decide how you want to fill it. You can choose from solid colors, gradients, or even upload a new image that better suits your presentation's theme. This flexibility allows you to truly personalize your slides and make your presentation stand out. Let's recap what you've learned today. We started by opening PowerPoint and navigating to our desired slide. With a simple right click, we accessed the Format Background options and selected Picture or Texture Fill. Finally, we completed the transformation by clicking Reset Background, effectively removing the old background and setting the stage for a new one. Remember, the skills you've learned today can be applied to any slide in your presentation, giving you the ability to consistently apply your newfound knowledge across your entire project. And with PowerPoint's wide range of customization options, the sky's the limit when it comes to designing creative, engaging, and visually appealing presentations. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more confident in your ability to manipulate PowerPoint backgrounds to suit your needs. Keep practicing, experimenting with different backgrounds, and soon you'll be creating presentations that captivate and impress your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your presentations. See you in the next one.